Exercise 3.3. First question. Find the LCM and GCD for the following and verify that f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. First subdivision. Let us consider the first polynomial be f of x, which is equal to 21x square y, and the second polynomial g of x, which is equal to 35xy square. The polynomial contains variable as well as constant. F of x is equal to 21, this is constant, and x square y is the variable term, as well as g of x 35 is constant and xy square is variable term. So if the expressions are given like this, means first we are going to find the LCM and GCD of the numbers 21 and 35. So first LCM of 21 and 35. Actually I told you LCM of 2 and 6 is 6, because the number 6 is multiple of 2, that's why I told you. But here two different numbers 21 and 35, how do we find the LCM of these two numbers? This method you have learned in lower classes, 21 and 35. Which number can divide the two numbers 21 and 35? You are going to find. It is very easy, 7th table. The number 7 can divide 21 and 35. So if you take 7 here, means how many times, how many 7s are there in 21? 3. And 35, there are 5 7s. So now the second step, 3 and 5 we have. After this, there is no common divisor. So let us take 3, 1 and 5. After that 5, 1 and 1. We do this work until we'll get 1 and 1. We'll get the remainder 1 and 1. Up to that we do this process. So now we get 7, 3 and 5. 7, 3 and 5. So product of these three numbers is equal to, we know that 7 into 3, 21. 21 into 5. 5 into 20, 100. 105. So LCM of 21 and 35 is 105. As well as GCD. GCD of 21 and 35 is, we can take the GCD from this step. 21 and 35, the number 7 only divide the both numbers 21 and 35. The number 7 only divide 21 and 35. Therefore GCD of 21 and 35 is 7. I hope you understand. After this step we have 3 and 5. There is no common divisor. There is no common divisor. That's why we take GCD of 21 and 35 is 7. So we found LCM of 21 and 35 is 105. GCD of 21 and 35 is 7. So now LCM is equal to, so now 21 and 35 LCM we find, that is 105. After that x square y and xy square, this is first expression, this is second expression. So how to find LCM if expressions are given? Means first we write the common factors in the sense xy. The first polynomial have xy, the second polynomial is also have xy. So better we write the xy first, common factor. Next we take the highest power means x, variable x takes the highest power 2, as well as the variable y takes the highest power 2. This is the method to find LCM when variables are given, when expressions are given. X square y and xy square, I take the common factor xy. this xy are in the first one and second one, that's why I take xy. And next I took the highest power of this two variable. X takes the highest power 2 and y takes the highest power 2. So 105 x square y square is the LCM. The next one GCD. GCD of 21 and 35 is 7. And which number can divide the both? So if GCD is asked means we write the common factor alone. The common factor with the least power. Common factor is xy. The least power of x is 1 and least power of y is 1. Therefore 7xy is the GCD. So what is the question? F of x, verify that f of x into g of x is equal to, verification, f of x into g of x is equal to dash. F of x into g of x is equal to 21x square y into 35xy square. So 21 into 35. 21 into 35. What do we get? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 105, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 5, 3, 7. So 735. When you multiply this x square into x, x cube, and y into y square becomes y cube. Verification, f of x into g of x we find, we take as 1, which means LHS. Then LCM into GCD. We found LCM, that is 105 x square y square into GCD, that is 7xy. So 105 into 7, it is very easy. 100 into 7, 700, and 7 into 5, 35. So 735 directly we can write. And x square into x, x cube, and y square into y, y cube. So this is number 2. Otherwise you can take right hand side, this is left hand side. From 1 and 2 we get f of x into g of x, which is equal to LCM into GCD, hence verified. I hope you understand, children. Thank you.